Woke up this morning and we chose crazy. We are going to perm my hair. The thing about me perming my hair is I'm not going to put curls in it. What I'm going to do is relax it. What happens with my hair, and I honestly think it's just years of wearing it back so much, these sides actually kind of stick out. I can never get them to lie flat. You see that bend? Even with a straight iron. Same with this. This swoosh makes it impossible for me to wear the perfect fringe bang. I am going to link the one I bought in my Amazon store in case it turns out incredible or in case it fries my hair off. Then you'll know which one to either buy or avoid. I already used the pre-conditioning treatment on my hair, which came in the kit. So now we are on to step 2. If you wanted waves, this is the time you would put the rods in. We're not doing that. So what I'm going to do is kind of put these pieces how I'm going to want them and then apply step 1, the curling lotion. All right, beauties, let the games begin. It is perming class 101. So I'm going to take these fringe pieces. I'm applying the curling lotion to it, combing it through. So all the pieces that I want to kind of flatten and smooth out, I'm applying the solution to, and then I'm going in with a fine tooth comb. And if you are wondering, yes, it still smells. How have they not changed or improved the smell of perming solution in 40 years? I don't know, but they haven't. Now, by the way, I got a little ballsy and I'm actually putting the solution straight through my hair because I thought maybe it would take some of the frizz out and make it a little smoother. Now we're going in with the neutralizing solution. Oh, by the way, this is specifically for color treated or fine hair. It said to leave it in 20 minutes. I only left it in for about 7 or 8 minutes. I really figured better be safe than sorry. If I fry all my hair off, especially before the holidays, I will not be a happy camper. I rinsed everything out. Now I'm applying the leave-in conditioner and let's blow it out. I'm so nervous to see if this worked or not. Do you guys think it worked? Let's find out. Done. I haven't really styled it yet. I just blow dried it and you can see these front pieces sit completely flat. Now, I only left it in about 7 minutes. You're supposed to leave it in for 20, but I have to be honest, I was too afraid all my hair would fall off. But yeah, if you want to kind of remove a cowlick or flatten out these fringe bangs, definitely works.